When it comes to nail art, resin crafts, or professional salon work, a UV curing lamp is an essential tool. It helps cure gel polish and resin quickly, ensuring durability, shine, and a flawless finish. With so many options available, choosing the right one can be tricky. So here are the best 4 UV curing lamps that deliver efficiency, reliability, and style. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 4, PPDS 6 UV Curing Lamp. When it comes to repairing delicate electronics or working on detailed projects like mobile phone motherboards, precision tools make all the difference, and that is exactly what this UV curing lamp delivers. At first glance, its compact size is striking, only 51 by 51 by 57 millimeters, making it small enough to fit in the palm of your hand yet powerful enough to cure UV shadowless glue, green oil masks, and inks with impressive speed. The design feels very deliberate, prioritizing efficiency without the clutter of unnecessary features, so even those who are just getting started with DIY electronics repair can feel confident using it. What stands out most is the intelligent curing capability. Instead of spending long minutes waiting for adhesives or protective coatings to harden, this lamp accelerates the process dramatically. This means less downtime, smoother workflow, and far more reliable results. Imagine applying green oil on a motherboard trace and being able to move forward almost immediately with your work, instead of waiting impatiently for it to set. That kind of speed is a game changer, especially for professionals who handle multiple repairs in a day. The box packaging ensures that the lamp arrives safely, which is a thoughtful touch considering its use in precise electrical tasks. Its solid build gives confidence that despite its compact body, it will withstand frequent use. Another appealing detail is that it belongs to the Mechanic brand, a name trusted in the electronics repair community for making dependable tools. This gives an extra layer of assurance that the lamp was designed with technicians and enthusiasts in mind, not just as a novelty tool. Using it feels intuitive and hassle-free, which matters when working with small, sensitive components where every second counts. There is no need for complicated setup or specialized training, just plug in and get to work. Despite its professional performance, the device is small enough to keep it a workstation without crowding space. For hobbyists, it opens up new possibilities, making more advanced repair and DIY tasks accessible without needing to invest in large or costly equipment. Still, its compact nature does have limits. It is not designed for curing large surface areas at once, so those handling bigger projects may find it less suitable. In addition, while it excels in curing specialized glues and inks for electronics, its applications remain fairly narrow outside of that field. Pros: compact, fast curing, reliable, user-friendly. Cons: limited coverage, narrow use. Number 3. Mechanic L1 Pro UV Curing Lamp. Repairing modern electronics often demands tools that can keep up with speed, precision, and reliability, and this UV curing lamp makes a bold statement in all those areas. Built with a double lamp bead design, it delivers a powerful punch of 5 to 7 watts, making the curing process not only faster, but also more consistent. The moment you switch it on, you can immediately sense that it was engineered with professional repair technicians in mind, where every second of efficiency counts. Unlike traditional single bead lamps that sometimes feel underpowered, the dual wick structure distributes energy evenly, ensuring strong light penetration without unnecessary strain on the unit. Its intelligent build is a major highlight. Safety and stability are clearly prioritized, as the design prevents overload while extending the device's working life. That balance between performance and durability makes it a valuable addition to any workstation. The lamp is remarkably energy conscious too, consuming just the right amount of power without sacrificing output. When paired with the recommended 5V1A charger, it charges reliably and maintains steady performance, which is crucial for a tool that might see daily use in a professional repair environment. Using incompatible chargers may cause issues, but sticking to the proper one ensures flawless operation. What sets this curing lamp apart from others is the way it blends strength with portability. Compact enough to fit neatly in a toolkit, yet powerful enough to deliver rapid curing, is a versatile companion for those working on motherboards, delicate components, and fine UV glues. Packed in a convenient bag, it's easy to carry from one repair site to another, adding to its practical appeal. There's also the reassurance that it comes under the trusted Mechanic brand, well known in the electronics repair industry for designing tools that withstand rigorous use. In practice, the curing speed is impressive. UV glue sets firmly and quickly, reducing downtime between repair steps and boosting overall productivity. The double bead arrangement also makes the results more consistent, so you're less likely to face uneven curing or weak spots. That level of dependability can really elevate the quality of work, whether you're an experienced technician or an enthusiastic DIY repairer. Of course, like all specialized tools, it comes with a couple of trade-offs. Since it is designed for precision applications, it won't be ideal for larger curing projects outside of electronics repair. And because it requires a specific charger, users who overlook this detail may run into frustrations with charging failures. Pros: high power, fast curing, durable, portable. Cons: charger sensitive, limited scope. Number 2. Relife RL-014, a UV curing lamp. There are times when a tool feels less like a gadget and more like a complete solution, and this UV curing lamp embodies exactly that. The first thing that captures attention is its unique appearance, a sleek and modern design that goes beyond functionality to add a touch of refinement to the workspace. Compact yet powerful, it was clearly created with versatility in mind, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from curing UV glue, shadowless glue, optical glue, and resin glue, to serving as a currency detector, or even for fluorescent agent detection. That multi-purpose adaptability is rare in curing lamps and instantly makes it appealing to both professionals and hobbyists. What makes this lamp shine is its precision. Certain adhesives like optical glue are notoriously difficult to cure under ordinary conditions, but here the carefully engineered light output penetrates efficiently to ensure consistent and strong results. The inclusion of imported high-quality T6 lamp beads provides a stable light source that is both energy-saving and safe, with built-in measures to resist overload and ensure long-term reliability. That kind of build quality not only boosts confidence but also positions it as a long-term investment rather than a short-term tool. Functionality extends beyond raw curing power thanks to its intelligent design. It offers 3 brightness levels: 100%, 60%, and 30%. Giving the user full control depending on the delicacy of the task. The adjustable time switch with automatic shutoff adds another layer of convenience, removing the need to constantly monitor the curing process. For someone working on intricate details like green oil on circuit boards, that means less distraction and more focus on precision. The portability factor makes it even more practical. Being lightweight and USB powered, it can be used almost anywhere, whether on a professional repair bench or a home DIY station. The portability also makes it a handy backup tool to keep around for unexpected tasks, especially when dealing with delicate materials that require controlled curing. In actual use, the curing speed is remarkably quick, leaving adhesives firm and reliable in a fraction of the usual time. Yet, even with all its strengths, there are considerations. Because it is so specialized, it won't replace larger curing setups for industrial-scale applications. Additionally, the reliance on USB power, while convenient, could feel limiting for those who prefer a more robust power source in high-volume work environments. Pros: versatile, precise, adjustable, portable. Cons: not industrial. Number 1, and the winner is Tulx UV Curing Lamp. Every now and then a tool arrives that feels like it was designed with both intelligence and care, and this UV curing lamp absolutely fits that description. At first glance, it might look like another compact curing tool, but the deeper you explore its features, the more impressive it becomes. It is purpose-built for precision repair work on mobile phone motherboards, LCD panels, and PCB components. But it does far more than just cure solder oil or adhesives. One of the standout details is its wind performance. The ultra-silent infinite fan does more than simply keep things cool. It actively reduces thermal stress on components, minimizing the risk of damage from rapid heating and cooling cycles. For anyone who has handled sensitive electronics, that protection alone is invaluable. Alongside this cooling system, multiple adjustable functions make the lamp feel more like a professional workstation than a handheld tool. The digital display gives full control over illumination time, LM degree, and wind speed, ensuring every curing session can be customized with precision. Its power system is another highlight. Equipped with a built-in high-performance lithium battery, it doesn't just rely on external power but also safeguards itself through overcurrent and over-discharge protection. The Type-C charging interface adds modern convenience, allowing fast and reliable recharging. These thoughtful inclusions show that the design team considered the demands of long repair sessions and built in safeguards to extend the lamp's lifespan. Perhaps the most impressive feature is the intelligent balance control. Since ultraviolet light can be harmful, the automatic shutoff adds a protective layer both for the user and the components being worked on. If unused for 30 seconds or tilted beyond 45 degrees, the lamp switches itself off, a detail that enhances both safety and professionalism. Pair this with straightforward button operations for time, brightness, and wind speed, and the lamp proves to be as user-friendly as it is advanced. Its aluminum alloy body and multiple cooling holes make it durable and stable for long-term use, while the portable case ensures it is easy to transport and store. In action, it feels precise, efficient, and protective, a rare balance of qualities that elevate it above typical curing tools. Of course, with its complexity comes a bit of a learning curve. Users may need time to fully master its multiple functions, and while the 4W power is efficient for mobile repairs, it may not suit larger industrial-scale projects. Pros: advanced, protective, durable, adjustable. Cons: learning curve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.